Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Target RedCard, manage payments and statements step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and make sure your internet connection is stable. Type Target.com in the address bar and press enter. Click sign in at the top right corner of the Target homepage. If you do not have an account, click create account and complete the registration with your email and password. Return to the sign-in page after creating your account or if you already have one. Enter your email address and your password, then click sign in. If you forgot your password, click forgot password and follow the prompts to reset it. After signing in, go to the main menu and select RedCard or search for RedCard in the site search bar. Click Manage RedCard to open the RedCard account management page. If you are redirected to a secure service page, confirm the website address looks official and secure before continuing. Choose the RedCard option that matches your card type, such as credit, debit, or reloadable. Enter any requested verification details, such as your card information or security code, and submit. Once you are inside your RedCard dashboard, look for the Payments section. Select Make a Payment to start a payment from your linked bank account. Choose the payment amount, such as minimum due, statement balance, or a custom amount. Select the payment date and confirm it matches your preferred schedule. Review the payment details carefully and click Submit Payment to finalize. Check for a confirmation message or confirmation number and save it for your records. To view statements, locate the Statements or Documents section on the dashboard. Click Statements and select the statement month you want to open. Download the PDF statement if you want to save it or print it. To see recent activity, open Transactions or Account Activity and review purchases and payments. If you want alerts, find Notifications or Alerts and enable email or text updates. To update your bank account for payments, open Payment Methods or Banking Information and edit the details. To go paperless, choose Paperless Statements and follow the activation steps. If you are on a shared device, avoid saving your password in the browser for security. When you finish, click Sign Out to safely log out of your Target account. If you have login issues, contact Target customer support using the help link on the site and follow their guidance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.